Is your Nissan Rogue Sport ready for winter snow? If you drive a 2017 to 2020 Rogue Sport, listen up. There's a factory technical bulletin, or TSB, that addresses a problem you could face when the flakes start flying. Here's what happens. In heavy snow, some Rogue Sports can lose engine power and turn on the check engine light. The code you'll see is P0101, which points to the MAF sensor. Why? Snow can actually get sucked into the air intake and clog things up, especially when the original grille parts are installed. Nissan released TSB NTB18-084, later updated as NTB18-084A, covering all 2017 to 2020 Rogue Sports. The fix! The dealer removes the front grille spacer, pops in some special foam blocks and installs a new spacer or even an updated air duct and filter. Will Nissan fix this for free? Since this is a Technical Service Bulletin, TSB, and not a recall, coverage depends on your vehicle's warranty status. If your Rogue Sport is still under the original factory warranty, the repair should be covered at no cost. If you're out of warranty, you may have to pay for the fix yourself. Costs can vary, so ask your dealer for an estimate before any work is done. Now, this isn't a recall, so you won't get a letter in the mail. It's technical guidance for dealerships, not mandatory work. If you're having issues, go to your Nissan dealer and ask them to check out this TSB. Online, drivers mention power loss in blizzards, and some even open the hood to melt away snow from the air intake. So what does it actually feel like when this snow problem hits? Imagine you're driving along in the snow, and suddenly your Rogue Sport feels sluggish, like it just doesn't want to go. You press the gas, but the engine doesn't respond the way it should. Out of nowhere, the check engine light pops on, and you might even feel a sudden drop in power, making it tough to keep up with traffic or climb a hill. It's a jarring, uneasy sensation, especially when you need your car to perform in tough winter conditions. And don't forget, most snow complaints are really about traction, so get winter tires if you haven't already. So if your Rogue Sport feels sluggish or throws that check engine light in winter, now you know what to ask for. If you found this helpful, subscribe and drop a comment with your snow stories below. Stay safe out there. Want to prevent this snow problem before it starts? Here are some tips. Consider installing an aftermarket grille cover or mesh to help block snow from entering the air intake. Regularly check and clear snow away from the front grille and air intake area, especially after driving in heavy snow. Parking your Rogue Sport in a garage or under cover can also help keep snow from building up around critical engine components. And always use a soft brush to gently remove snow from the grille. Never use hot water, as it can damage plastic parts. Taking these simple steps can help you avoid the hassle and keep your Rogue Sport running smoothly all winter long.